Hi, it's Jan Diatri. Have you ever had Cheeto pie? That's what we're making in the 1 Minute Kitchen. It's flavorful, fun, and foolproof. Cheeto chili pie is going to be your new go-to favorite. Here's what you'll need. Cheetos, the Flamin Hot Crunchy variety, regular or baked. Some lean ground beef, an onion and some garlic, diced tomatoes, green chilies or chipotles in adobo sauce, and spices like chili powder, red pepper flakes, and smoked paprika. Then some shredded cheese, an avocado, and cilantro. And now we're ready to cook. Drizzle some olive oil in a skillet. Add chopped onions and the garlic and cook until golden brown. Then add the ground beef, the spices, chipotle chilies, and diced tomatoes. And here's how we'll build it. Starting with a cup of Cheetos, sprinkle a little cheese over them, then spoon that chili right over top. More cheese, then avocado cubes, chopped cilantro, and a few more Cheetos to top it all off. Cheeto chili pie for a big and fun flavor high. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.